Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Skim-Mor. What is BioGuard Skim-Mor? Skim-Mor uses a Mycelx-coated material which traps oils, cosmetics, lotions, pollen, and pieces of fine debris your filter may miss. These impurities can dull your pool water, cause a waterline buildup, and even clog your cartridge or DE filter. This product stretches to fit virtually all skimmer baskets. It is proven to extend the life of the filter and reduce maintenance time. Other skimmer socks are not coated with Mycelx, but Skim-Mor is. Product benefits: Mycelx-coated material which traps oils, cosmetics, lotions, pollen, and pieces of fine debris your filter may miss. Fight against waterline buildup and unclog your cartridge or DE filter. Fits virtually all skimmer baskets. Usage directions: place Skim-Mor inside skimmer baskets and stretch over basket rim. If the basket floats, put a small weight, stone, into the basket. Chlorine tablets and sticks should be placed into a skimmer basket beneath the Skim-Mor. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.